keys to the ignition and step on the gas. Let's go.
We are back again for another Let's Go JA Tours, and today, guess where we're going? We are heading into the New Kingston area, and we're going to be doing an updated 2023 tour. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you want to see more tours of the beautiful island of Jamaica. Now relax, drink a red stripe and enjoy the ride. So we're now heading down the Knutsford Boulevard, and as you can see, this is the main thoroughway inside of New Kingston. To our right, you can see the Sutherland Global building. That's a call center here in New Kingston.
I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out.
So to our left is the Starbucks building, and then to our right is the Porsche dealership.
But I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.
We're going to be taking the left turn onto Trinidad Turns. As you can see to our right, there is a building. Some new updates has taken place here on Trinidad Turns. We're now taking the left turn onto St. Lucia Avenue. So to our right is the Ministry of Trade and Commerce. So we're now on Barbados Avenue. So directly ahead is the Knutsford station. We're going to now be taking the right turn onto Grenada Crescent, and then we'll drive all the way around back to St. Lucia Avenue. So directly to our right, as you can see, that VM, that's Victoria Mutual, and then the building to our left is the First Caribbean Bank. Jane Bank is to our left there, and then as we are coming to the end of Grenada Crescent, we are seeing the very renowned Courtly Corporate Center. That's where the Courtly Auditorium is. That's where a lot of plays and so forth is also held. A lot of TV shows or audience shows here in Jamaica that are taped for video. To our right, as you can see, is the Spanish Hotel. We're now going to be taking a left turn onto Tobago Avenue, and now this will take us back again to Knutsford Boulevard. So now to our left is the Knutsford Boulevard, the NCB office. We also have the Scotiabank office as well as the JPS office to our right hand side. Now as you can see, all these buildings to the left, these are where most of them are fast food restaurants and so forth. As you can go further down, you'll see a lot more Juicy Beef, Tasties, other Pizza Hut, other restaurants like that, Burger King, Island Grill, to name a few. We're now going to be taking the right turn onto Trinidad Terrace. And then as we are going to Grenada Crescent, we're going to take the left turn this time. Directly ahead of us is the new Kingston Business Center, which was recently renovated. So you can check out all the renovations here on your right hand side. Ahead of us is the Sagicor Bank. So we're now going to be taking the right turn onto Dominica Drive. And then to our right, you can see the main entrance for the new Kingston Business Center. As I said, it was recently renovated, maybe around 2 years now, or maybe a year. It was completely renovated. To our right is the new Kingston Drive-Thru Theatre as well as Center Stage. To our left is the new Kingston Towers, and straight ahead of us is the end of Dominica Drive. And we're going to be taking the right turn onto Holborn Road. And as we come around Holborn Road, you can see two new buildings that are being built. One to our right, and then you can see one to our left in the distance here on Holborn Road. We're going to be taking the right turn now onto Dumfries, I think it's Dumfries Road, and there you can see the construction taking place there. Another big multi-floored facility. Looks somewhere like maybe 8 floors, 9 floors, and this is on Dumfries Road. So we're now heading back into New Kingston. As you can see, the Surgical building in front of us. We're going to be taking the left turn onto Grenada Crescent here, and then once we go around the bend on the Crescent, we're going to be taking the left turn again onto Antigua Avenue. Did you realize that a lot of the avenues or the streets here in New Kingston are actually named after Caribbean countries? And this is the end of Antigua Avenue, and we're back on Tobago Avenue. And again, Tobago Avenue will take us all the way to Knutsford Boulevard. So this has brought us to the end of our driving tour of New Kingston. So if there's any area that you want a driving tour of, or also a walking tour, because I'm going to be doing walking tours soon, just leave it in the comment. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.